Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes, and today I'll be giving y'all an updated She's Happy Hair review. This review is actually different. She's Happy Hair sent me this wig. If y'all want to see how I love this wig and what I think about it, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I already primed my face using the Tasha, is that what's called? Tasha Silk Canvas Primer. And I did my eyebrows using the ABH Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I want to do nothing too much, just something light. This is a date night, so I want to keep it cute and girly, not too out there, because y'all know I can get like that real quick. So yeah, let's keep it short and simple. So for foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in the color NC38. Put this little mirror right here so I can do my makeup. So yeah, let's get into the hair. If you guys didn't know, I am a model for She's Happy Hair. She Happy Hair actually gave me this wig for a video tutorial which we did maybe a couple months ago, November, October, I'm not really sure. I still have it. It is January 7th, so as y'all see, the wig is lasting me some time now. But let me bring that back, guys. They actually gave me two wigs. They gave me a 24-inch straight and a 26-inch body wave, which is this hair right here. Y'all see, this is the body wave. The reason they gave me the wigs was we actually did a short video on how to apply the wigs, which is on their page. I'll link that in the description box below. So if you guys want to see a video on how I lay my wigs, just like this video or let me know in the comment section. I'll be using the little bit of this Juvia's concealer I have left in the color 15. But yeah, back into this wig though. This wig is a body wave 26-inch, and like I said, I've been having this wig, actually I think it was, I don't know, I'll put on the screen when the date was when I got this wig, but if you guys look on my Instagram, I actually wore this wig for my birthday. I'll upload some pictures on the screen. Now I'm putting Tarte Tape Shape in the color light neutral, just in the corners to brighten it up a little bit. But when I say this hair took the bleach so well, like, it's still soft, it's still bouncy, it still moves pretty good, so I love it. I dyed this hair for my 21st birthday. I went to Vegas. If y'all want to see that video, it will be in the description box below, so I will link that so y'all can see it. Hold on, somebody calling me, my mama. This is the universal powder in the color 30, and y'all, I love this powder. This is my holy grail powder, like. But I was actually thinking about dyeing this wig again and dyeing it all one color after I finish wearing the highlights out. So if y'all want to see me dye this wig and see the results, then comment below and we can make that happen. This wig is definitely high quality. I really like how it took the bleach. Like, I'm a color girl. I like adding color. I like doing different things with the hair. So when the wig can last as long as this did, then it's a go for me. I actually applied my lashes off camera using Duo Lash Glue and Miss Lashes. So yeah, I'm not sure what number Miss Lashes is, but bronzing, contouring, I'll be using the Cover FX powder in N90. So don't get me wrong, when you dye hair, you do have to take a little bit more care of it than you would unprocessed hair. All I do is I wash the hair weekly and deep condition it. So that's kind of what I do to keep the hair soft and pretty. The lace on the wig is translucent, but I did bleach it just to help it blend a little better for me. I did wear this wig with the lace bleached and with it not bleached, and it looks good either way, honestly, but of course it looks better when you bleach the lace, when you bleach the knots. So make sure you bleach your knots. The only downfall I could say about the wig is maybe the ends of the hair, but one thing about when you buy long hair, the ends do tend to come thinner, so just watch out for that. So for lips, I'll be using NYX in the color light brown. Next, I'll be going in with MUA Makeup Academy lip gloss in the color 110 Bear. And y'all, I really feel like these highlights complement not only my skin tone, but my eyes. Like, I feel like these highlights really, like, compliment me. I'm using is the LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in the color Heavenly. And I like LA Colors. Like, them girls play. Okay. I absolutely love this hair. I love the color. I love the way it feels. I love how the bleach actually didn't even mess up this hair either. Like, this hair is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. So guys, that is it for my She's Happy hair review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. If you guys want to purchase this hair or know any more details about it, I'll leave all that below. So check that out. And that is it for this video. So without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Mwah.